Hello and welcome back as we teach you how to read ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs. If you like this content and appreciate these videos, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps this channel. Today we are going to talk about 3 letters that also happen to be prepositions. So the first letter we're going to talk about today is the letter M, or the owl. Now, of the letters you're going to be dealing with, the owl is probably one of the most complicated. And you're probably not going to get it right when you draw it for the first time. But that's okay, just do your best. With enough practice, you'll get it so it looks like an owl. Now, to draw the owl, the first thing you want to do is draw the body of the bird starting from the front. Then draw the wings, then the feet, and then finally the face. Now, it's important to try to draw the face so that it is like a curved V. This is what makes the owl distinct. The other feature that you're going to want to really pay close attention to is the tail feathers. Try to make them square. That's also a very distinctive feature of the owl hieroglyph. Now, the owl is transliterated by the letter M. And it's pronounced like M as in Mary or mother. And like other hieroglyphs with a face, this one has a direction, and you read the owl into the face. The next letter we're going to do is the letter N, or the water waves. To draw this letter, make a zigzag with 6 peaks. The letter is transliterated and pronounced as the letter N as in Nancy. And our final letter today is the mouth hieroglyph, or the letter R. To draw the R letter, use 2 lines to draw a mouth. Now, where the lines meet, it's important that the corners are sharp. This is what makes the mouth hieroglyph distinctive, is the sharp corners. This letter is transliterated and pronounced as the letter R. Now, we're going to get into a little bit of an advanced topic here, which is prepositions. Now, a preposition is a small word such as to, for, with, that's used to describe the relationship of one word to another. And the 3 letters we just covered, the M, N, and R, just happen to be prepositions in Egyptian. The M, or the owl hieroglyph, is a general purpose preposition with many meanings. It can mean in or inside, by means of, with, from, or even out of. The N preposition, the waves, can mean to or for, but it's directed towards a person. So let's say I wanted to give a gift to my mother. I would be using the N preposition in this case. But let's say I wanted to go to a place. Also have other meanings such as concerning, regarding, or even against. So if you see R used with a person, it usually means against a person. So if you were going to say against my enemy, you would use the R preposition. So it's important to keep the N preposition and the R preposition distinct, because they do serve different purposes in ancient Egyptian. And just like in English, Egyptian prepositions occur before the word it modifies. So let's say we wanted to take the example from the last lesson of Boo F, his place. And let's say we want to add a preposition, like we want to go to his place. We would say R Boo F, to his place. Now remember, again, because it's a place or a thing, we have to use the R preposition. But what if I wanted to say to him? Well, we would use the pronoun, the horned viper, the F, him, his, and we would connect that directly to the preposition, N. NF is to him. So we wouldn't say RF, we'd say NF, unless we were actually opposing him. But we want to be nice here. We want to give a gift to him, so we would use NF. Well, that is all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like the content, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.